Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about wedding insurance and is worth the cost. Let's see what is wedding insurance. With the average wedding budget hovering around $20,000 these days, your ceremony and reception will likely be the most expensive event you and your partner will ever plan. Because no past money is on the line. Buying wedding insurance could be a smart idea, but before you buy a policy, it's important to know what it will be or not covered. Key takeaways of wedding insurance. A wedding insurance policy can provide financial protections from unforeseen events on your big day. Wedding liability insurance can cover injuries or accidents that occur during the ceremony or receptions. Wedding cancellations or postponement insurance can reimburse you for costs you incurred if you have to call off or postpone the ceremony due to extreme weather, injury, illness, or an issue with a vendor. Wedding liability insurance starts at about $125, while wedding cancellations and postponement insurance start at about $100. What is wedding insurance? Wedding insurance is a type of special event insurance that offer financial protections for issues related to your celebration. There are two kinds of wedding insurance that are wedding liability insurance. Liability insurance will help you pay for property damage or injuries that occur during your event. For example, if a wedding guest enjoy the open bar too much and damages the venue's windows, liability coverage could pay for a replacement or repair. Wedding cancellations or postponement. Wedding cancellations or postponement insurance will reimburse if you the ceremony or receptions needs to be cancelled or postponed due to circumstances beyond your control. For example, your policy could cover you if the ceremony was cancelled because of extreme weather, such as a hurricane or severe snowstorm, illness, injury, or because a vendor went out of business. Wedding insurance rider. Wedding insurance typically covers particular circumstances, but you can buy optional insurance rider to get additional coverage. Common rider that may be available include military service. If you or your partner are in military or active reserves and are called to duty, a military service rider would cover the cost of rescheduling your event. Bridal groans and tuxedos. If the store you bought your wedding gown or tuxedo from goes out of the business, stranding you without your wedding clothes or deposit. This rider will help you cover the cost of new clothes. Honeymoon. If you have a cancel your honeymoon because of inclement weather or illness, a honeymoon rider could reimburse you for your travel fees. What does wedding insurance cover? Wedding insurance doesn't cover everything that might go wrong. While policy term can vary by insurer, the following exclusions usually apply. Cost in general cancellations or postponements due to the cost are not covered by wedding insurance. For instance, suppose you realize that the ceremony and receptions have exceeded your budget and you decide to scale back. In that case, your wedding insurance policy will not reimburse you for lost deposit or other expenses. Change of heart. If you or your partner change your mind about getting married, your policy typically won't cover the cost resulting from the wedding cancellations. Ordinary bad weather wedding insurance will only reimburse you for cancellations or postponement due to extreme weather conditions, meaning conditions so severe that you, your partner, or at the least half of your guests cannot reach the wedding venue. For more common weather conditions such as rain on the day of your beach wedding, the policy won't reimburse you. Before purchasing a policy, you will want read the terms and exclusions carefully so you understand that covered and what's not. How much does wedding insurance cost? The cost of wedding insurance depends on several factors: your location, the issuing insurer, coverage amounts, size of wedding, optional riders. In general, a basic cancellations and postponement policy will cost between $100 to $500. A general liability policy that provides up to $1 million in coverage for accidents or injuries cost around $125. It's a good idea to shop around the compare policy quotes from multiple insurance companies. If you are not sure where to start, check out our picks for the wedding insurance companies of 2021. This wedding insurance cover gift. A basic wedding insurance policy doesn't typically cover lost or stolen gift unless you add a wedding gift rider to your insurance plan when you buy it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.